mahalo for the ocean, manna, fresh water that flows, for the growing ohana, the deep swells that throw, the streams and mountains sweep them sounds, and through the trees the wind blows. For the wahine, she be gleaming, righteousness of the moon. For the sunlight, the pure life, everywhere it blooms. Aloha, keakua, mahalo. Thank you for your patience and love, God.